Hey, this is John. I wanted to show you how I cook vegetables. So I have my H-clad. It's a small one. It's the 8-inch. It's a hex-clad skillet, and it's the 8-inch, which is just right size for one person. But you could get. I would suggest getting the 10-inch or the 8 if you have more than one person. So what's nice is you can make it really hot. You can take it and put it into the oven, and so I'm going to use olive oil, a little olive oil. Now I use olive oil when I'm cooking like vegetables and stuff. I use sunflower oil when I'm cooking my meat, because you can go at a higher temperature without smoking. Is my dehydrator, Excalibur, and then I have a KitchenAid, and then I also have a vacuum sealer that does both jars and the plastic and the plastic envelope. Right here is the counter for it. Well, of course, it's a counter. How silly am I? I have all kinds of gadgets and gadgets. I got a rod going across under the shelf and where I can hang different kind of things. The corner cabinet has my cast irons, and then my different kinds of skillets and pans. And then I have an electric air fryer oven, which works very well as a bread box. It keeps the mice out of it. And then over here, I have all my spices. I pick all my spices and I transfer them over into mason jars, and then they're at my reach. Now these are something that I just got. Not so great of them, but they're dehydrated peas, or they're dried peas, and they come with a survival kit type of a thing. These I use the most is the sea salt. And this jar here that's marked onion, that's my black pepper. And I have my pastas. regular spaghetti pasta. I have some sesame seed oil and some curly Q pasta, but I really cook with the spaghetti sauce the most. And then, of course, this is my gas stove. I really like cooking on a gas stove. I used to have an electric stove where I lived before. And then on the other side there, if you look on the other side, there's a whole bunch more jars of things, doodads. There's stuff for baking. It started off as the baking rack, built a show, but I've had to move some spices over there. And then I have cereals. It's not exactly laid out to be a good studio kitchen, but didn't think of this before when I designed it. I don't know what I would do. There's not much room for an island, although I suppose you could do an island. I like using these hex clads. You can use metal, you can use plastic, you can use, I kind of like a good wooden spoon. It's actually melting down pretty quick. When the broccoli is soft, then you know it's time to move on.